immune system booster. Itong apat na ito, in our it boosts our immune system. Rhodiola, alam na natin yan. Red ginseng, sea buckthorn oil, and black currant oil. No? Itong apat are identified already to boost our immune system. No? Sinabi ni Doc, pag na-boost ang immune system, abay, maraming mga T-cells. Lalabanan lahat ng mga cancer cells na yan. Let's go to specifics, no? Our GSE. Ano yan, Doc? Ano bang GSE na yan? Grape seed extract, no? Kaya may grapes ka nakikita. Ang grapes hindi lang nagiging wine yan, no? The seeds, no, the extracts, it reduces the risk of cancer, okay? So we don't have to go into cancer para puksain ang cancer. It prevents cancer from occupying our vital organs. It has antioxidant activity, especially identified sa breast cancer, sa lung, sa stomach cancer, oral squamous cell cancer, which is the most common sa nasopharyngeal, squamous cell na type cancer, sa prostate sa mga lalaki, and pancreatic cell lines. Ano ba yung pancreas, lapay, Yun ang ikinamatay ni the boy, si Rudy Fernandez, pancreatic cancer, one of the most deadly cancers, 3 months, ganong kabilis, lalo kung nasa neck and head, kaya pag nagpa-annual check-up kayo, ipa-examine perme ang inyong lapay, ang pancreas ninyo, ipa-ultrasound para makita nyo kung nag-uumpisa pa lang. Kaya if you have that line, family line. Also, grapeseed extract will reduce chemotherapy that is induced toxicity without affecting treatment negatively. Meaning, ang chemotherapy kasi, as I mentioned, pinupuksa ang ating immune system. Ang grapeseed extract will reduce the negative effects of chemotherapy, di ba? So kahit nagki-chemotherapy ka, natutulungan ka ng GSE, ng grapeseed extract natin, para hindi masyadong baldado yung ating immune system,